Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at Chiliz. So we see the market right now is up 0.07%, and the top gainer in the last 24 hours is definitely going to be Chiliz with that 91.97% gain. So we're going to do a price prediction. We're going to look at what Chiliz really is, and do we see a future in Chiliz. So before we do that, I just want everyone to know I am not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice. I just give you guys the most recent and up-to-date crypto information. So before we get started as well, we're going to look at the market cap and the volume and the circulating supply like always. So the market cap is at 2.8 billion. Volume in the last 24 hours is sitting about 5.4 billion, and the circulating supply is at 5.5 billion CHZ. So Chile has some good numbers. If we look at the last week alone, we see a 319% increase. So Chiliz has been an absolute boom. You see that in the last 24 hours as well. It's almost at 90% in the last 24 hours. Definitely a way to make a quick dollar is to be getting down on these dips. So Chiliz definitely has a long-term future, and we're going to see why is that. So we go to the Chiliz website, the world's leading blockchain fintech provider for sports and entertainment. How long do you guys think sports and entertainment is going to be around? Okay, so pretty much forever, right? So Chiliz developed the I'm not sure what their SOSC, not SOS, SOCIOS.com sports fan engagement platform, which is built on the Chiliz blockchain infrastructure and uses CHZ as its exclusive on-platform currency. So you can actually go to the Chiliz exchange. It takes you over to chiliz.net, and obviously we are started at Chiliz.net. No longer provides crypto trading in your country. So basically, I'm blocked because of being in the United States. That's no problem. We'll go right on back and we'll check out the website and see what we have here. So what is Chiliz? Chiliz is a currency option for blockchain and backed products and services geared towards mainstream consumers. We want to elevate everyday experiences, fan engagement, and entertainment. Alternative payment solutions for conventional products, and more. Chiliz provides sports and entertainment and entities with blockchain-based tools to help them engage and monetize their audiences. So, guys, I just woke up this morning, so obviously you're going to see some hiccups, but we actually do run these unedited, so sorry in the future, but we try to keep it as transparent as possible, so we do leave them unedited. So, CHZ, the rocket fuel for Socius.com. Socius fan engagement platform is built from the ground up on the Chiliz blockchain infrastructure and uses CHZ as an exclusive on-platform currency. So if you go to Socius.com, you're really going to see what we have to offer. When I say we're going to be talking about the coin here. And really, this is a long-term investment. If you go in here, obviously you're going to make short-term gains, possibly, potentially, but it is a long-term investment because there is a long-term value in something that is going to be sticking around. So you see that the blockchain technology, data privacy, verified payment providers, security is at the heart of the app, and they're teaming up with the world's biggest clubs, and you're going to be seeing a lot of information. If you can go to the Socius.com, you can actually see their partners, and you can definitely learn more. We won't go too much into detail. But if you want to learn more about Chiliz and Socius and see what really is going on in the background here, I definitely see a long-term goal and potential for this one. So we'll go back to the price and we'll make our price prediction based on the information and research I've done in the last 30 to 32 hours. Unfortunately, I did not get too much into Chiliz. I do not have too much stock, so I will say that right now. Unfortunately, I missed out as well as a lot of you guys did. So we're right now at 319% in the last month alone. So Chiliz is definitely one of those that is going to reach $1. We just don't know when. It definitely is going to with the rate it's going now. It may take a few days, but I see Chiliz reaching $1 by the end of March for sure. I do see a lot of a correction on the way up, so that's the only reason I would like to let you know it's going to take a little bit to get that dollar. I mean, a lot of you guys are probably thinking, it's on such a high rise. How high will it go before it corrects? So I think it'll correct around 72 cents around there. I mean, obviously we're going to have a standstill before that, but I do think there'll be a small correction at 72 cents and we'll rise to that dollar amount by March. By the end of April, with the coronavirus check or stimulus check, whatever you guys want to call it, coming back to all of us, I think that Chiliz is really going to increase when that happens. So I think in April, it's going to see one of its biggest months, reaching $2 and doing a full double increase. Obviously, that's not going to be bigger than, going from 3 cents to 50 cents, but it's going to be a huge month for Chiliz in April. So stick around with Chiliz. I suggest adding it to your watch list. It's definitely one of those you want to keep an eye on, and just let me know in the comments if you guys think Chiliz is, a long-term application that's going to be used in more than just Socius, or they're just focused on Socius, or do you think that Chiliz will actually reach maybe $10, $15 by the end of the year? Because I'm thinking by the end of the year, my price prediction is going to be sitting around $7 or $8, and that's a safe bet in my opinion. I think Chiliz has pretty much a solid chance at reaching that $8 mark by the end of the year. And that's going to be all for today's video on Chiliz. That was just a quick overview and price prediction run. If you guys want to see more videos, make sure you do hit like, comment, and let me know what coin you want next and what one you want to look at. I know a lot of people have certain coins that they don't see many videos about. Let me know about that coin, and I will make a video about it, and we'll go over a price prediction and everything. I'll do some research. I'll let more people, in on looking at that coin. But thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Hit the subscribe button.